Did you know a king offered everything he owned to save his empire, but his enemy wanted it all anyway? When Alexander the Great invaded Persia, King Darius III was desperate to stop him. After losing a major battle at Issus, Darius made an incredible offer. He would give Alexander his own daughter in marriage, all lands west of the Euphrates River, and 10,000 talents of gold to free his captured family. Alexander's trusted general Parmenion said, "I would accept if I were Alexander." Alexander's reply was ice cold. "I would too if I were Parmenion." He rejected every peace offer. After crushing Darius again at Gaugamela, the Persian king fled east in panic, but his own nobles betrayed him, murdering their king to win Alexander's favor. A man named Bessus brought Darius' severed head to Alexander, expecting a reward. Instead, Alexander had Bessus executed immediately. His reason? Even enemies deserve loyal subjects. Alexander conquered an empire, but still honored the loyalty a king should receive. Sometimes principles matter more than politics.